We have our kickstand hip airplane here. So the goal of this is to get a really good stretch through that glute here. What we're going to do, all the weight on this leg just for balance, okay? But don't take it off. It's a different exercise. All the weight's on this leg for balance, and the general motion is we come down and then rotate, just like that. It's not down then rotate, I should say. It's as we're coming down, we are rotating. And what we're trying to do is if this is our pelvis, we're trying to keep this side facing straight, this hip bone facing straight, and then this side is turning towards it. So all these structures on the back are getting pulled and stretched. So the mistakes people make with this is as they're doing it, they just turn their shoulders. And look, I'm doing all of it. You'll get a little bit of a stretch there, but you're really just turning your spine, your shoulders. We're not getting movement at the hip. So all you really need is a little bit of a turn. Your sternum, your nose, sternum, knee, and big toe should all be relatively aligned. And we're just turning our hips into that side as much as possible, trying to squeeze out all that extra stretch there. And then use your hand to help not turn, but reach towards the ground there. And then use your foot to push yourself out of it, as opposed to using your back muscles to pull yourself out of it. A couple mistakes people make here to look out for, again, is excessive shoulder movement. And then as we're doing this, it's not a squat, and we don't want to bend our knee too much, and we don't want to straighten our knee. So just keep the knee locked, glued in right where it's at, and get a nice reach through there, again, not overturning. And then if you can, try to keep the pressure on the inside part of your foot, and use that foot to push yourself out of it. Doing this correctly, you'll get a massive stretch in this glute.